In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students of grade 2. How are you all? I hope you all will be fit and fine. I am also good, alhamdulillah. Welcome in our online class. As today is Wednesday, 16 December 2020. It is our science lecture time and our today's topic is making sounds. Today we are going to do the back exercise of this chapter. Okay students, have you opened the back exercise of the chapter making sounds? So all of you open this page number 124. Firstly, you will write the CW and the short date, that is 16-12-2020 at the top of your page. Today we are going to do back exercise from the book, and inshallah tomorrow we will do the worksheet of this chapter. So we have an exercise here. Put a tick for the true and a cross for false. It means we are going to do true false on this book. Students, as we have read this chapter and observe in this chapter about these statements, today I will not solve this exercise on your book. I will just explain and you will solve this exercise by yourself. Okay students? So let's read the statement number A. Part A. We hear when sounds reach our throat. We hear when sounds reach our throat. So it is a false statement that we hear when sounds reach our throat. No. Students, as you all knows, we hear sounds when reach our ears. So this statement is false. So you will write here the false. Part B. We make sounds with our voice box. Yes, it is true. We make sounds with our voice box. Statement C. People who cannot hear use hearing aids to hear. So you have come to know, is it true or false? You will write your own opinion in this box. Okay students? Yes, it is true. People who cannot hear are use hearing aids to hear. Statement D. Sounds are made when something stops moving. Is it true or false? Just tell me and write in this box. No students, it is false. Sounds are made when something starts moving. Okay? Students, last one, part E, is the musical instruments make sounds when they move. So let's see an activity about this statement. Student, firstly take an empty jar with a lid. As you can see, here is also a lid. Take an empty jar with a lid. It can be a plastic pot or a crystal pot. Okay students? And now you will put some rice, beans or anything else and shake it. So what you will find? It is a musical instrument which makes sound by shaking. So now you will tell musical instruments make sounds when they move. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Musical instruments make sounds when they move. Okay students, we have completed our exercise number 1, that is true and false. Now come on the exercise number 2. Here are some musical instruments students. As you can see, here are some musical instruments on this page. Have you seen students? They are asking to you, which do you shake right S, which do you hit right H, and which do you blow right B. So in these instruments, if you will find any instrument that we blow, so you will write B for blow, and if any instrument is hitting by us, so you will write H for hitting. And if any instrument will shake, hit or blow, so you will write S, H and B for this in that instrument. In this way, students, you will complete this exercise. Here are different instruments like a flute, drum, duff, maracas. It is an also drum beater. So you will write the action of these instruments by the help of S for shake, H for hit and B for blow. Okay, students, I hope you enjoyed these exercises. You will learn this exercise true and false by your heart, and you will complete your work page and send me the images of your work. Okay, students, Allah Hafiz.